Well, in this exercise, we are going to try to get the total of units using the function SUM, unit sold. This is the number, the total of revenue that we use the same, and you select the column and close parentheses. After that, you need to use another different function, SUMIF. In this case, you select the range. You're looking for electronics and the revenue of those electronics. Close parentheses, and here you go. For clothing, it's very similar. SUMIF, you select the range, select the criteria, in this case is clothes, and you select the units, the unit sold. Close parentheses, and there you have it. It's very easy, very straightforward.